Hi everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we saw how to migrate the identity tables. In this video, we are going to see about how to create data operations in identity management tables. So, this is the agenda for today's session. First, we are going to create a user scheme. Also, we are going to register dependency injection in our program.cs file. After that, we are going to create a user listing scheme. Okay, let's see in action. Let's open the Visual Studio, which we used on our last session. So this is the migration process which we saw in our last session. Now we are going to create a thread operation that means a listing screen as well as add screen and update screen and delete screen. Okay. Let's see in Excel. First, go to the controllers. Right click, add new controller. Okay. Give a name as accounts controller. Accounts controller. Here we are going to create some listing screen. So I am going to call as public. I option listed. Then list users. You can provide any name. I'm going to provide as list users. Okay. So it should return wave. So return wave. Okay. That's it. Then we are going to create user string. Okay. I action result. Create user. Create user. Same return wave. Then we are going to create one HTTP post with same with name. That is I action result. But HTTP post. We already saw this about in our previous sessions. HTTP post. But this time, our method should take the input parameters in model. So we need to create one model. We can go to this model folder. Already we have application user model. The same way, we are going to create a user. Add class user. Simply we are going to have three methods only, three properties only. That is name, email, and password. Name, email, and password. That's it. Now go to accounts controller. We are redirecting listing scheme. We need some model. That is, we can see this listing scheme in our upcoming session. First, we need to complete these two. So I'm going to use user, user, for the new user. This all completes this using statement we need to use. Then we can pass this as a model. Okay, let's create a new partition list users. Right click, add it, and then provide an NS list user the same action method name. Here, now I am going to have only one redirection. From this thing, I am going to have some link that by clicking that link, it will go to our create users link. This and the that ASP action equal to we can cover is create user action internal. Okay. By this name, close the tag and provide the name is create user. Create user. Okay, as of now, it's enough in this CSS HTML. Then go to controller. In controller, we're creating the create new user, and it needs some other name. So I'm going to create a new name for this. Admin tracer admin. Okay, in this screen, I'm going to have some create user. The screen looks like a registration screen, but very simple. Only username, email, and password. Okay, this form. After I go to post, we already have some HTML tags, so we can copy this and we can paste it here. But for that, we need some model. So I'm going to go ahead at model user. Okay. I think this property name is different here. Email, name, email, password. Okay, it's okay. Okay, then what we can do while submitting this button, we need to pass these values to our controller and we need to save that result. So I'm going to accounts controller. Here we can have user. Instead of using this simplest I accept result, I am going to use asynchronous feature of this system. So async pass first. We need to construct a constructor for this controller. This CTOR. I'm going to inject user manager from identity. User manager. User manager of our previous identity table, that is application user table. We have to have this predefined in our previous view. So and provide it here. We can provide the name as user manager. Let's define read only private property. Table. Read only. Then we can provide this address for user manager. Then address for user manager interview user manager. And let's go to the HTTP post for that. Here we have some user. So I'm going to create a user. For that, I'm going to construct a class with this name, this application user. So application user, app user equal to new application user. Username equal to user dot and, and password is email equal to is an email. Okay, that's an now we are going to create some bad reset gateway user underscore user manager. Set and misspell it. Okay. Underscore user manager dot create a scene appears here. Come on, password. You need to pass the password. That is user dot password. Okay. Result is success if result dot success is completed successfully. Send effort await result dot succeeded. Okay. We can continue this with our next session. Thanks for watching.